Let's check another problem on partial fraction. Suppose you are asked to resolve 2x plus 1 divided by x squared minus 5x plus 6 into partial fraction. One thing that I'm going to explain here is that if you take note of this denominator, it is actually a quadratic expression which we must have to factorize it, right? We can actually factorize it since this expression is factorizable. So factorizing this, I'm going to have it to be, that's x plus, open another bracket, x minus, right? So in this case now, I'm going to look for the product and sum of the root. So in this case, I can have it to be minus 2 and minus 3, which is what, 5, and minus 2 multiplied by what, minus 3, that's actually what, 6. Then in this case, without even stressing myself, I can just have the factor to be what, I can have it to be x plus 2 and also x minus 3. So let's go ahead and expand this. Maybe it's going to give us this back. X time this is what, x squared, right? This time this is what, minus 3x, right? This time multiply this, that should be, I think this should be minus. Exactly, this should be minus x minus 2 and also x minus 3, exactly. Then we're going to have it to be, this multiply this as what, minus 2x, then this was plus 6, right? So exactly, we are going to have it to be x squared minus 5x plus 6, right? So it shows that it is factorizable and we've actually factorized it. So now this will be equivalent to a over x minus 2, right, plus b over x minus 3. So after that, we go ahead and find the FCM, or we just multiply everything here by what? By the factor. So here I'm going to take it like this and close it like this, and I'll multiply. Then I'm going to have this to be equivalent to, that's a into bracket x minus 3, then plus b into bracket x minus 2, right? Then after that, divided by, I'm having it to be x minus 2 and also x minus 3, which means this will cancel these factors out, right? Then I'm going to have it to be 2x plus 1, which is equivalent to a into bracket x minus 3 plus b into bracket x minus 2, right? So what happens in this case is that now I can just say, I can use try and error method and just say let x minus 3 equals to 0, then x equals to 3. So if I plug in this 3 here, everything here is going to be 0, then I'm going to have to be 2 into bracket 3 plus 1 is equivalent to b into bracket 3 minus 2, right? Then here I'm having 6 plus 1, which is 7, is equal to 3 minus 2, that's 1, that means that b is equal to 7 in this case. Then similarly, I can just say, I can come back here and just say, let's x minus 2 equals to 0, then my x equals to 2, if I plug in 2 here, everything here is going to be what? 0, then I'm going to have it like to be 2 into bracket 2 plus 1, which is equal to, let me just say equivalent to a into bracket 2 minus 3, right? Then this is actually 2 multiplied by 2, that's so 5 is equal to minus a now, then our a equals to what? Minus 1, right? Though what I'm going to do here is that since my a equals to minus 1, then I will just come back to the question and just rewrite the expression. The expression is actually 2x plus 1 divided by s squared minus 5x plus 6. But I said it is equivalent to a over x minus 2 plus b over x minus 3, right? Then this expression is now equal to my a, which is what? Minus 1 divided by x minus 2, then 5 minus 5 rather, minus 5 divided by x minus 2, then I'm having plus 7 divided by, that's x minus 3, right? So I can just interchange, I can choose to interchange here, I can just have it to be 7 over x minus 3, then minus 5 over x minus 2. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and do well to share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.